afternoon, everyone from beautiful Senoia, or do they call it Senoia, Georgia? Today's adventure brings us to a 4K walking journey through downtown. And this is where they filmed The Walking Dead. I've watched some of The Walking Dead, but not very much of it. Just some of it. Yes. But it's a nice story, you know. You know, all about saving the world and everything. So anyway, but this is a nice place. Senoia is. Senoia? Senoia. Mm-hmm. Okay. Well, that's good. That's good. Nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you.
And they have Walking Dead tours. You can tour the museums across the street at the brick building. They have a bookshop here and everything. So let me take you for a tour through Senoia, Georgia. And they have these cute little, if you see on these bricks, they have these cute little commemorative plaques on where things are filmed here. And this is Table Talk, unique gifts. That's cute. Thank you. And this is also a golf cart community, so you can see some folks every now and then riding their golf carts through Senoia. And this is just a peaceful little walk here. Down here there's some giraffes. There's another golf cart. This is a 2-story gift shop called Hey Joe Boutique. That's cute. Down there's an alleyway, which is really cute. They've got restaurants and boutiques and day spas and studios. That's a day spa. This is called Foxholla. It's an antique shop with these beautiful giraffes out front. Beautiful. Looks cozy. Perfect setting for life is their motto. And that's McMaster's Barbecue. Right behind me, let's cross the street. Cross the street. That's where we just were over there with the barbecue. Smells good. I can smell them cooking it now. This is a beautiful town. Let's walk up this way. That's Nick Norman's. Look, there's a golf cart. These are nice places to eat. This one's called Fuego Max. And this is Norman's over here. That's a really good place to eat, I heard. Awesome. Your church bells are so pretty. Queen's Jewels. That's a jewelry stop. Mess Hall on Main with Senoia coffee and rock salt ice cream. That's cute. We'll have to try that. And there's a bicycle shop. This is called the Reckless Roost, and they have ice cream. Curious Kitchen and Bar, and they're open. Across the street, it's Boots and Bling. The Walking Dead store and museum are in that building. Just walk in and take a tour of the Walking Dead movie set here in Senoia. Let's cross the street. Drop Dead Diva was also filmed here now that we've crossed the street. This is the building you can tour the museum in. And they offer all kinds of goodies down here at the Creperie.
Thanks, Sarah.
Awesome.
Okay, hurry. Bye.
Yeah, that's what I've been wanting to land it.
Apparel shop. And the Welcome Center.
And I was driving a stick shift car. I couldn't even ride her. I couldn't even.
And here's another little
Oh, how big?
No, because I couldn't reach the pedals because I was so big. August 23rd day.
I think you say like towards the last couple of weeks.
Then down that way is a few more cafes. Some brick buildings. Across the way there's a Mexican restaurant. That's where we were when we started, and that's where we came from. Let's go in the Welcome Center.
Barbie Beach. Gotta see
I
that.
love Barbie Beach. I tell you what, that was just the cutest thing.
It cracked me up. Is it decorated?
I'm going to come back and get me a t-shirt. I wish they had a t-shirt of Barbie Beach. That would have been cute.
Oh, that's a good idea.
That's a great idea if he wants to sit somebody out there during the day and
Yeah.
maybe do a t-shirt. That'd be
I
cute.
can see that.
Yeah. Or a little postcard or something, you know. That'd be really, really cute. That'd be really cute. This is really cute. Long time ago, we did the Memorial Day Festival. Like way back before they started filming The Walking Dead here. And it was so, so precious. I remember the parade and everything.
No, we didn't have it the last couple of years.
Because of COVID.
Yeah, well, in this year, it's because the woman that had done it, it was near and dear to her. She died from COVID.
Oh, bless her heart.
Yeah, and the lady that took over for her, you know, she had time to plan it,
Uh-huh.
but she didn't know the contacts.
Right.
Good deal.
And I might do the water tower tour.
Oh, that's fun.
Mm-hmm. That's cute. All this is so cute. This is really a pretty, pretty place. I love hometowns. The Senoia Theater. Is it Senoia or Senoia? I've heard it both
Most
ways.
locals say Senoia.
Senoia,
Yeah.
okay.
It rhymes with enjoy Senoia.
Oh,
I tell
that's
people to
great.
remember it.
Yeah, that's great. That's great. And these old theater seats over here. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. Well, this is a really cute town, and I'm going to come back and I'm going to do an in-depth tour of the Walking Dead and everything else.
Oh, yeah.
That was a fun visit inside the Senoia. I want to say Senoia, but it's Enjoy Senoia Welcome Center. What a fun town. I didn't know this place could be this fun. So we're going to cross the street again down here. That's the smokehouse right there. That's called Good Luck. The Good Junk. Oh, that's cute. And then there's a wagon wheel over here. Let's find a place to cross the street. That's the Mexican restaurant, and over there they have a little outdoor seating area with a little library where you can take a book and leave a book. Never eaten there before, but I want to. Back down this way is where we started. They give tours of the Walking Dead movie set. If you're ever in Senoia. That's a really cool tour to take. And one day, I'm going to come back and take it. Right here at the Georgia Tour Company. And across the street's the museum. It is really, really neat. And if you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.